Well, hello, Mount Doug 1976 graduates. My name is John Jurisic. It is early February 2025, and we have some updates. So a small group of us have started organizing a reunion for Saturday, June 27th, 2026 at the University Club at the University of Victoria. That'll be ostensibly one big event. There will likely be many other events. And we are hoping that folks will focus on this Facebook page as their main information conduit. So I have recently sent a newsletter out to a bunch of folks who might now be coming here. So there's no registration page here or a button. This is a Facebook page like others. And if you like it, which is right here, then you will receive notifications as we post them there. There will there will be another page in which information about our reunion will be posted, I sense, and that's the actual Mount Doug Alumni Association page. And you can see I've been putting up the URLs for these things. So this is where we hope you folks you'll join these, at least this one, and review the other one at your leisure. And this is where we're going to post updates about the June 27th reunion and any other reunions. I mean, I encourage people to use this page so that they can reach graduates easily. Okay? We're not going to be phoning. We're going to be emailing to the emails that we have. But there certainly won't be, and that always ends up being a huge labor job, is calling the people and contacting them. No, we want them to be on this site. So that's kind of where we're at. I encourage you to reach out to your network and have them like this page, and they'll receive notifications about reunion activity next year. This is our 50th anniversary reunion. Right? So this could be the last big one. Maybe not, but we're certainly putting some effort into trying to gather everyone in one place so that they can enjoy whatever parties will be happening next year to celebrate this extraordinary Mount Doug 1976 grad class. See y'all soon.